What up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be diagnosing the tail light problem. So I looked at a couple forums and a couple YouTube videos, and supposedly it's a known problem for 370Zs for the whole back not to function. We just installed the Tome, and when I was driving, I'll insert a clip right here. My lights weren't working. My boy's like, yo, you're gonna get pulled over. I went to Wawa. Bro, the cop said, I'm gonna pull you over, bro. But he didn't, thank God. So supposedly there's a fuse inside this box. So you're gonna have to take out all these covers and this right here, which is part of the light. And then there's two clips right here. You're gonna push them and then this thing just slides out. And it sucks because I gotta open it and show you the fuse. So let me show you the fuse. All right, once you get this thing out, it's pretty simple. There's two clips in the bottom and you just slide it. I'm gonna replace this one. If this one doesn't work, the tail light illuminate, I might replace the DRL. So it's gonna be right here. This one right here. So there's the first one, there's the second one. The second one right there, this one. This one right here. That's what I'm gonna take out and check if it's blown. All right guys, I actually found it. It was actually the daytime running lights, the DTRL. Here's the fuse. See if I could focus and show you guys that it actually blew up inside. I mean, you can't really see it, but that shit's toast. It snapped in half inside. So I think they should work. I'm gonna test it right now, make sure there's nothing touching my crap. Yeah, we should be fine. And the tail light should work, so let me test it right now. If it blows, I know I have a problem. Oh, yep, they're on. They're work. Perfect. So that's one problem fixed. Don't know how it blew up. Hope it doesn't happen again. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty simple tutorial how to replace that fuse. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put everything back and catch you later.